You're late for work, and you see your boss walking towards you. You've been here before. Your heart starts beating faster. Your palms get sweaty. You start thinking of a good excuse, a traffic jam, a sick pet, an alarm that didn't go off, but you know it will sound fake. So you just stand there, waiting for the difficult conversation. In this episode, I will show you how to handle this situation confidently in English without lying or getting into trouble. This episode has 3 parts. First, why your usual excuses make things worse. Second, what a confident and responsible answer sounds like in English. And third, how to handle this short conversation and move on with your day, keeping your professional image safe. Let's start with the problem. Many learners think they need a long, detailed story. So when their boss asks, "Anna, you're late," they say something like this: "Oh, I am so sorry. My alarm clock didn't ring and then the traffic was just terrible. There was an accident on the bridge and I couldn't find a parking spot. I really tried to be here on time." This sounds defensive. It sounds like you're not taking responsibility. And honestly, it sounds like you might be lying. Now listen to this instead. "Yes, I know. I'm sorry. It won't happen again." Short, clear, professional. Ask yourself, which one sounds more trustworthy? Here's the key point. In a professional setting, taking responsibility is more important than giving a perfect excuse. Your boss cares about reliability, not your morning drama. Pause here for a second. Say this sentence with me. "I apologize for being late." Again, "I apologize for being late." Good. Notice how it feels. It's direct, but it's also strong. Now, let's break down the wrong way versus the right way. Your boss, let's call him Mark, says, "Morning, Anna. A bit late today, aren't we?" The wrong way is to start explaining immediately. You start talking about the bus, the rain, your neighbor's dog. This makes you look small. It makes you look like a child trying to avoid blame. The right way has 2 simple steps. First, agree and apologize. Second, show commitment. Listen to the difference. Wrong way. "Oh, Mark, you won't believe what happened. The subway was stopped for 20 minutes and everyone was stuck. This is too much information. Mark is not your friend. He is your manager. He has other things to worry about." Now, listen to the right way. "You're right, Mark. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm ready to start now." See? You acknowledge the fact. You apologize simply. You show you are focused on work. Here's the insight that most learners miss. When your boss points out you're late, they are not asking for a story. They are checking if you understand professional standards. Your long excuse is actually a red flag. It tells them you don't understand what is truly important. The most important thing is not the reason. It's the impact on the team and your acknowledgement of it. Your simple, direct apology is the real answer they are looking for. It says, "I know the rules. I respect the rules. This was an exception, not a new habit." It shows maturity. It builds trust. It doesn't break it. So the next time you are in this situation, remember, don't tell a story. Take responsibility. Let's practice one more time. Imagine your boss is standing in front of you. He says, "I need my team here on time." You say, "I understand completely. My apologies. It won't be an issue again." Say it with me. I understand completely. My apologies. It won't be an issue again. This simple structure works in many situations where you've made a small mistake at work. Missed a deadline, forgot to reply to an email. It's the same logic. Don't over-explain. Just acknowledge, apologize, and commit to doing better. This is how you sound professional and confident in English. Next time, we'll talk about what to say when your colleague asks for help, but you're too busy. Subscribe if you want to speak English with confidence at work.